Hey guys, guess what we're doing today? Y'all seem to love my hair color videos, so we are actually going to be putting a diluted version of Virgin Pink, Arctic Fox, of course, onto my ash blonde hair. It's not white this time. So we know how it turns out when my hair is white because I absolutely love that. I love my hair being white, but you know, I decided to do something a little different and went a little bit darker, a little bit ashier, and I'm bored. So, got a little time today. Let's go ahead and get into this. Y'all know how I apply this stuff. So we are just gonna get into it. And we are using a diluted version of the Virgin Pink. I really want to get Froze, but it's not in the store yet, and I just don't need any other colors right now, so shipping takes forever, and it's kind of expensive, blah, blah, blah. Y'all already know. So we're going to use what we have, and I have used about 10 parts to 1, so 10 parts of diluter to 1 part of the Virgin Pink. So this is what we look like. Almost matches my gloves, a little bit dark. A little bit darker, but here we go. So we are just going to apply this all over and try not to make a mess, because you know your girl is messy and you really should section off your hair. Just throwing that out there, but I don't feel like it. I just don't feel like it. So yeah, it's gonna be a little sloppy, but that's just how we roll sometimes. And I just want to see what it will look like. I think it might be more of like a rose gold kind of color. Once it comes out, it may actually do nothing. My hair may actually not be light enough, but you never know, maybe it is. So I am just going through right now and putting that on here. So I'm gonna stop talking so we can speed through this. Yeah, because y'all already know how this is. We just paint it on and go. This is real easy. So stay tuned. Dun dun dun. Alright, there we are. We have it all completely covered with this very, very pale pink. I think I might have my desk completely covered with it too. I don't know why I was so sloppy today, but I knew it was happening, and I'm shedding apparently because I got hair stuck everywhere. So we just went with it. We'll clean it up in a second. We're gonna let this set for about 40 minutes or so, and I'll be back to show you guys as soon as we're done. Alright, and we are back, and we got exactly what I was shooting for, which is awesome. I actually only left it on about 30 minutes because I got bored and I needed a shower. But it turned this dusty shade of pink, which is amazing. It's great to know that it will still work on my darker hair until it gets lightened. Now mind you, this mane is crazy right now, but it worked. And here we are. So now we know how Arctic Fox Diluted Virgin Pink goes over a more ashy shade of blonde instead of white. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any other colors over a darker shade of hair and how they turned out. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep me going on these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.